Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Primary Teacher. So in the last video we had learned about the activities based on singular and plural nouns, but in today's video we are going to learn about activities based on abstract and concrete nouns. But before we move further, I would like you all to press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you get the latest updates about my videos. Also, please share it with your friends, watch the video till the end and do like my videos to motivate me to make more educational videos. So come on now, let's start with activities for abstract and concrete nouns. So in this activity, basically what the teacher can do or the parent, they can give them abstract nouns, they can give them words for abstract noun, they can give them words for concrete nouns, and wherever the abstract noun is there, the instruction should be given in such a way that whenever the abstract noun comes in, the child should stand up, and whenever the concrete noun will come, the child has to sit. Okay, so whenever it's an abstract noun, so the child will stand. Whenever it will be a concrete noun, so child will sit. So abstract noun, I have just given few examples such as love, friendship, happiness, peace, responsibility, fear. So all these are abstract nouns. So when this abstract nouns comes, so the child will stand, and when it will be a concrete noun, so they can sit. And concrete nouns such as shoe, table, house, friend, tree, bottle, baby, etc. So you have to create a list for abstract and concrete noun. You can read out the names for it, and the child will listen to the name, understand about it, and they will give you a response by standing up or by standing down. This game can be played with grade 3 students. Now for concrete nouns. So concrete nouns, basically it is related to all the 5 sensory organs such as seeing, smelling, tasting, touching and hearing. Okay. So whenever it's a concrete noun, you can ask them to clap hands. C for concrete, C for clapping. You can give them this hint to the children. And you can give them a list of concrete nouns such as pony, girl, book, tree, etc. And you can also make a twist in the game by adding an abstract nouns to it. So whenever it's an abstract noun, they will not give you any reaction. So whenever it will be a concrete noun, they will clap. If it is not a concrete noun, they will not clap. And this game can be played with grade 3 and 4 students. Again, for abstract noun, you can ask the children to tap their feet. And you can give them a list of abstract nouns such as trust, happiness, knowledge, health, love, etc. And you can also add a twist to it by adding few concrete nouns. The child will listen to the word, understand it, and then they will give you the reaction. If it is an abstract noun, they will tap. If it is not an abstract noun, they will not give you any reaction of tapping. This game can be played with grade 3 and 4 students. Now searching for abstract and concrete nouns. In the previous activities it was only the word, but here we are going to give them sentences. I'll read out the first sentence for you. He was given an award for his courage. Now courage is highlighted in yellow color, and courage is an abstract noun. So what we can do basically is we can give them these sentences and we can ask them to underline the abstract noun. You can ask them to underline the abstract noun, or you can ask them to circle the abstract noun. And this can be done with grade 3, 4 and 5 students. You can pause the video here and read out the other sentences which is based on abstract and concrete nouns. We can also do one more thing. We can give them a small story and we can do a model reading of the story for them. Then we can give them chance to do silent reading, and we can ask them to draw 2 columns of abstract and concrete nouns. Now reading the passage, understanding about it, then they will highlight the words which are abstract and concrete from this passage. as I have done first one for you. Girls will be concrete noun. Hungry will be abstract noun, and both these words, girls and hungry, you will find it in the story. You can pause the video here, read the story for your reference. This game can be played with grade 4 and 5 students as they are well versed with their reading. I hope you all have enjoyed the activities and it will help you. So if you have enjoyed about the activities which I gave you about abstract and concrete nouns, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and kindly like my videos. Thank you so much.